Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to plant a daylily. And daylilies have tubers that make up their roots. So they're thick, fibrous parts of the plant. Today I'm going to plant apricot sprinkles or sparkles for you guys. So first you have to dig your hole, which I have done. And then for the daylilies, you want to take a mound and your daylily, and you spread the roots on top of the mound of dirt. You can have the mound in there already, or if they're small enough, I will go ahead and just put a mound of dirt underneath. So basically you want the roots to spread out, so that's why there's a mound of dirt underneath. And I always go ahead and just throw in leaves as I'm going along, just to help compost, give some nutrients to the plants as well. Also helps with drainage. So I'm always just adding leaves in. Okay, so this company sent me, actually, that's a really baby one. I'm going to keep it all together. So, as part of their one plant that I ordered, they sent me 2 to make up a nice bundle of roots. So that's all there is to planting a daylily. Go ahead and fill the dirt in. Really easy, and you get an awesome show in the spring or summer, and sometimes they even rebloom. Okay, God bless you guys. Bye.